Hello guys, I have finally completed the holy trinity of the SKX in my life. So the SKX011 Orange Boy has arrived today from the Philippines. I bought it used, but in a very beautiful condition, as you can see. I paid 316 USD and 84 USD for shipping from the Philippines to Hungary. And I also had to pay almost 30% value added tax because of my beautiful country. Yeah. And some other costs here and there, you know. But I mean, I really wanted to have the Orange Boy, and I absolutely love it. So it came on the OEM rubber strap, but I replaced it with the Uncle GL831, and it's really in a very beautiful condition. It must be from 2016, just like my 007 2016, and 009 is from 2019. Yeah. Bezel action is fine, it's good. No misalignment, maybe it's a fake, I don't know. Not just kidding. It's a genuine 011, but you know, the running joke in Seiko circles is the misalignments that make it genuine. Yeah, so I have a OEM Jubilee on the way for the Orange Boy, because I just absolutely love the 011. I mean the Seiko Jubilee. So this is the Orange GMT. What else can I compare it to? The 5KX. Let me wipe it. Yeah, these gold accents. I love gold accents, especially black and gold accents, but yellow, I mean orange and gold accents. It's also amazingly beautiful. All right, and I have the turtle here. So to be honest, guys, I consider these watches like, how should I say it, the most meaningful watches for me. And you know, even though I own the MM300 and the Turtle and other nicer Seikos, technically nicer Seikos, I still value these. I mean, of course, the Orange Boy is a newcomer, but I still value these the most. You know, I'm not bashing the Tuna or the MM300. I'm very grateful and blessed that I can own them, and I love them. But I don't know, to me, these watches here, these kind of most basic Seikos. Yeah, I know the Turtle has hacking hand winding, come on. And it's a newer model of, I mean, how should I say it? It's a newer Seiko. I mean, you can still buy the Turtle, you can't buy the SKX anymore. But I just absolutely love these basic Seikos. You know, these, you know, with the hardlux crystal, with day and date. And I don't care that the SKX don't have hacking and hand winding. I don't care. I just absolutely love how they look, how they wear. And, you know, with all their flaws and with all the things people usually don't like about the SKX, I just love this. And yeah, what else is there to say? You know, the tsunami wave on the case back. Yeah. Yeah, again, I love Seikos. Also Citizens, but now it's a Seiko video. I love Seikos. I have quite a few other Seikos, and I love them. But again, these basic Seikos are the most dear to me. That's it. I'm not forcing it upon myself. It's what it is. I can't change it. I can't help it. I love these the most. Alrighty, guys. Wait. Let's put everything here. Now, you know what? Let's put the orange next to the orange. Come on. Come on. Yes. Alrighty, guys. Thanks for watching and goodbye.